everybody, Miss Dietrich here. The utilities bill for the Miller's home in April was $132. 42% of the bill was for gas, and the rest was for electricity. How much did the Millers pay for gas, and how much did they pay for electricity? In class, we've been using double tape diagrams or a double line graph, so in this case, we're using a tape diagram. One of the bars will represent the percent, so how about we make that the bottom bar? If you have all of something, it's 100%. And the top bar will represent the dollar amount, which in this case, we have $132 represents the whole bill, or the all of it. Now they want to know, part of this is going to be gas and part of it's going to be electric. Well, if we read the fine print again, it says 42% is gas, 42%. So let's visualize that. And how about we make that green? 42%, so it's a little less than half, is gas. And let's draw a box up here because we're going to need the actual dollar amount. All right, that means that the rest of it must be electricity. And they want to know that amount. All right, so if we're talking about getting the percent for electricity, which looks like we're going to need that, we have to do something magical with this blue number and this green number. And what's the magical thing we're going to do to get the percent? Well, we're going to subtract. So let's do that. Since we have a calculator, let's take full advantage of it. We're going to put in 100 and subtract 42, and we get 58%. All right, now when we're talking about how do you find 42% of 132, there are two ways to do that. We take the all of it number, which recall is 132, and we multiply it by the decimal equivalent of the percent. So this is a decimal would be over 2, so that's going to be 0.42. Let's do that on the calculator. $132 times 42 hundredths. And we get this amount. And that's going to be the dollar amount for gas. And we'll put a dollar on that after. All right, so to get the electricity bill, we're going to take the all of it number, multiply it by the decimal equivalent of 58%. So recall that to get the decimal equivalent, we have to move that 2 to the left. So that's going to be 0.58 or 58 hundredths. And we're going to multiply this to get the part. Let's use the calculator. $132 times 58 hundredths. And we get this amount. Let's put it right here for dollars. So the gas, they want to know what's the dollar amount for gas. We're going to put $55.44 because it's asking for that. How much did the Millers pay for gas? How much did they pay for electricity? We're going to put $76.56 on the answer space. All right, good luck finishing that up.